Using technology is great when you do have a free moment. And one of the most important things is to remember that brevity is truly crucial. You can either use the classic Ciceronian style that you see on most webcasts, or more of a Senecan style that I espouse. You don't have a lot of time to do things, but you do want to use things to the best of their moment. And what I find is short ideas, appropriately dictated, that can be taken back and utilized, are the most important things. So one little tip is to use the magic of a cell phone, as I am at this very moment, and use it as a means to communicate with staff when you're not in the practice. One specific idea is to send a videotape, such as the one that I'm doing right now. That dates me too. I use the word tape, digital recording, to the email of your team. You can communicate ideas and thoughts. You don't have to wait until you get back to the practice. You can do it from whenever and wherever you want. I have a good friend that has a vessel, and he's on the ocean quite a bit. He uses his time to the best opportunity and tries to use the telephone. Another idea is not to lose the moment, especially when you're out of cell phone range, and that is to merely dictate or offer an opportunity by video recording to communicate with your staff. And it doesn't have to be anything that's really crucial. It could be something quick, such as this video. Thank you very much.